If you want to learn how to reverse a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to take any clip from your timeline and play it backward using CapCut. This is a really useful editing trick for creating cool transitions, fun effects, dramatic moments, or just making your content stand out a little more. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure the video you want to reverse is already on the timeline. If you haven't imported it yet, go ahead and add your clip first because CapCut can only reverse a video once it's placed in your editing timeline. Now tap or click the video clip so it becomes selected. You want to make sure the clip is highlighted because the reverse option will only appear for the selected footage. Once the clip is selected, look for the double triangle icon in the editing toolbar. This is the reverse tool. Depending on the version of CapCut you're using, it may appear along the bottom toolbar on mobile or in the top editing controls on desktop. When you find that double triangle icon, click it and then choose Reverse from the drop-down menu. As soon as you select it, CapCut will begin processing your clip. Now this part is important. Wait for CapCut to finish processing the video. The app needs a moment to create the reversed version of your clip, so don't close the project or try to move too fast while it's working. The longer the video is, the more time it may take, so just be patient and let CapCut complete the process. After the reverse effect is applied, play back the video in the preview window. Watch it carefully to make sure it's moving backward the way you want. Check the motion, the timing, and whether the reverse clip fits your edit properly. If everything looks good, then you're done. You've successfully reversed a video in CapCut. This is a super easy feature, but it can make a big difference in your edits. You can use it for creative storytelling, reaction style content, before and after effects, or even just to add a professional touch to your video. Once you get comfortable with it, you'll probably find yourself using it all the time. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful CapCut tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.